don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us.
Hey you guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today. Today's video is kind of gonna be like a get it all done. It's a really calm day. I did some cleaning, very minimal. Again, just checking things off my checklist, trying to be kinder to myself this year and not trying to get everything done at once. So I picked a few things to do this day, including cleaning, decorating, and then of course I cooked dinner on this day and I'm sharing that with you guys. Again, trying to share my recipes with you guys in these videos because you guys have been requesting that ever since I stopped, so I thought I would integrate them into my regular videos just so we still have that content, but then I'm also not messing with YouTube's algorithm because apparently it does not favor when I put food content out there. So anyways, right now I'm just getting the kitchen cleaned up, nothing crazy, and then I'm gonna prep the dinner that I made on this night. I love sharing super easy recipes. I have a few easy dinners that I just keep on rotation, honestly, and then a few meal prep meals that I also keep on rotation. I share that with you guys, I think, in last week's video. But today we are making pulled beef tacos or tortillas. I don't really know what to call them, but it's super delicious, super easy, and very minimal prep, especially because I'm using my pressure cooker. If you have a slow cooker, I never had a slow cooker before, and I honestly don't know what's the difference between a pressure cooker and like a crock pot. I've never been a crock pot person. I might honestly jump that bandwagon soon, but for now I use my pressure cooker, but I'm pretty sure you can do this recipe in a slow cooker or a crock pot or whatever you have. We're also going to be doing a little bit of decorating upstairs in my hallway, that console table that I have there. I've been itching to decorate something because I have Valentine's Day up right now, but I've been picking up a ton of spring stuff from Studio McGee and Hearth and Hand, and also Hobby Lobby has really good clearance right now, so I wanted to decorate that and get at least upstairs feeling a little springy. But first I put my meat to pressure cook. So I buy beef stew meat because I love making beef stew, but then you can also use it with these pulled beef tacos. So I literally just season it. First I put some olive oil, then I keep the seasonings really minimal because beef honestly has a lot of flavor by itself. So I just put some black pepper, some garlic powder, some adobo, which is an all-purpose seasoning, and then a sazon Goya packet.
I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else. Go on my night. Used to feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to, when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want you.
So now I'm going to be prepping the toppings for these tacos. It's so good and it's so fresh, but you will have stinky breath after this because of the onion. So just keep that Listerine on hand and you'll be fine. But it's just some red onion, some tomatoes, and some Mexican cheese, or at least I think it's Mexican. I'm Puerto Rican, so I don't really know. But it's called queso fresco. I get it at Target, but I'm pretty sure you could get it at the supermarket. And it's just like a crumbly cheese. You don't even need to cut it. It just crumbles up. And you make this mixture, and it tastes so good and so fresh on a taco, especially with beef. But because I make so much of this topping, and the next day I'll usually have a lot of this left over, as well as some tortillas. So the next day after this, I literally just took out some chicken breast. I seasoned it real good. I cubed it up, and then I added some cumin just to add like that taco-y spicy flavor. I really don't know how to explain it, but it tastes so delicious as well with the same tortillas that you're gonna see in this video and this topping, and then you really have 2 days worth of food. So this is totally worth it. It's not hard to do at all. And yeah, super delicious with some rice on the side, which you'll see later on. So then I put my meat in the pressure cooker. First, I brown it a bit just to get that brown color on the outside, and then I'll add water, and I think it's like a cup and a half. And then this is sofrito. It's homemade sofrito. I explained this to you guys before. You can get this at the store, but my mom makes it fresh. That was the last of it, so I need to, she said she made one already for me. She's keeping it in the freezer for me. And yeah, only the water, sofrito, and then I add a little bit of chicken bouillon, or however you say it, and super delicious. I even love the broth that comes out of this. You can honestly make like a beef soup out of it, but I just dip like the tortillas in it, and then I toast them on my skillet, and so delicious. Kind of like what they do with birria tacos, but birria is really complicated to make, so I'm not even gonna go there. And then to pair with it, I'm just making some salsa verde brown rice, and I love this brand. I've shared this multiple times with you guys of instant rice because it's so flavorful and it's so easy to make, and it pairs really well with these tacos. And I got that done really quickly, and as that was cooking, I went ahead and did a little bit of cleaning that I wanted to do. So again, trying not to overwhelm myself, but picking 1 or 2 things a day that I can do to just feel like I didn't waste my day away. And the staircase definitely needed a good vacuum and mopping. I did do the mopping later on in the day. It's so hard. New York is like super cloudy and it gets dark super early real quick, so after a certain time I can't film anymore, but I did mop these as well. But yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I always neglect my upstairs hallway and my staircase. I'll mop and vacuum the rest of the house. And then I always put this on the back burner. So we're taking care of the hallway, staircase area, and also adding some decor here.
Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't. Let them believe that they know, 'cause they don't, no they don't, no they don't.
So the first thing that I'm doing is adding this beautiful, gorgeous lamp from Studio McGee. I'm starting to lean more into the transitional type of decor, but I still really like farmhouse, so I'm kind of doing like a mix of transitional and farmhouse, and I just wasn't feeling the lamp that I had before. It was too farmhouse, so I wanted to add something different, and the shade just makes it feel really springy. Then I also added my Joanna Gaines book here, and then this candle holder that's from Target that I already had.
Nobody knows what we got but us, but us. Let them keep talking, let them believe that they know, 'cause they.
This vase is from Hobby Lobby. I did get it half off. I never buy anything full price in Hobby Lobby, and I love the texture of it and the two-tone color. I just love it. I'm loving those type of vases lately. And then this is also from Hobby Lobby. I had this already from before Christmas, and it's called asparagus, faux asparagus, I believe, and I love it, and I think it's perfect for spring. So again, trying to bring those spring vibes upstairs, because downstairs is all Valentine's Day, and my living room is in the process of a makeover. You guys will know more about that if you follow me on Instagram. And then I usually keep like a pillow here next to the blanket basket, but I saw this decorative box from Hearth and Hand, and I fell in love with it. And because this table is right next to my laundry area, I thought I could put my dryer sheets in there, and then my scent beads in this little canister from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance for $4.99. I actually have a ton of Hobby Lobby clearance that I can't wait to show you guys. Such cute finds. But I also did switch the position of this because of the box and the blanket basket, because it just wasn't covering the outlet, but I don't know why I left it like that for this video.
Skyscrapers and neon lights. Ooh, I still think of you.
Alright, you guys, so that is it. This is how the food came out. You're just going to be shredding the beef, and self-explanatory. Super delicious, super easy. I hope you guys try this out because it's a super quick and delicious meal. But I will see you guys in my next one, God willing, as always. I know this video was short, but this is how my day went. It was a calm day, but also got a lot done. So I hope that this gave you motivation, and I'll see you in my next one.
This time is different, so